Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is Wednesday, February 17th, 2021. I can't believe it's Wednesday already. We started talking about respect yesterday, and today we're going to try something that I've never tried on virtual morning assembly. So, teachers, let's just see how this works. Good luck. I think it'll be really fun. But if it doesn't work, then just, you guys can roll with it and make plans. But I think it's going to be awesome. So let's get started. Please stand up and do the Pledge of Allegiance first. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, so here's what we're going to do today. We're going to talk about how you show respect to someone who's very important. Because in the video yesterday, we learned that you need to show respect to your friends, to your parents, to just strangers that you meet on the street, to your teachers, maybe to people that work in a restaurant, maybe we show respect to people that lead our government, right? So we're going to pick somebody who needs a really high level of respect today, and that is your teachers. Because when you talk to your teacher, you don't get to talk to them like they're just your buddy, right? And part of the reason is because you're showing them respect and you're showing them honor. So when my friends come up to me, they say stuff like this. Hey, Steve, you want to go for a bike ride? Hey, Steve, do you want to go out to dinner tomorrow night? Something like that. But when students come talk to me, they don't say, hey, Steve. They say, hi, Mr. Wright. How are you today? And they have control of their body. They're not like bouncing all over the place. Hi, Mr. Wright. Can you help me with this math problem? So we're going to do a little skit here. And the first thing we need to do is we need to pick somebody in your class to come up on stage with me, but you're going to be in real life and I'm going to be on the video. And this needs to be somebody who wants to play the role of the teacher in this skit. So I'm going to give like 10 seconds. If you need to pause the video, you can pause the video. Teachers pick somebody to come up front, and they're going to be the teacher in the skit. One. Okay, hopefully you have me off pause by now. If you can't, I don't know how you'd hear me talking. Let's have the person who's going to be the teacher come right over here. So teacher, you're standing right here. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to find out your teacher name. Because teachers, I don't know who you picked, but they're going to be the teacher for just a minute, and we have to call them by their teacher name. Like Mr. or Miss, and then their last name. So I'm going to pause so that they can tell the class their teacher name. Okay, so now you've got your teacher here. Now we need to take 10 more seconds and pick someone to come over on my other side and be the student in this skit. So I'll give you 10 seconds to pick whoever's going to be the student. Wow, I don't know if you were watching the screen carefully, but I forgot how to count down on my fingers for just a second. Okay, now we have a teacher right over here. Nice job, teacher. We're going to call them Mr. or Miss, and then their last name. We're going to talk to them carefully with respect. And now on this side we have a student. Okay, student, your first job is you need to ask with a lot of respect if you can have permission from the teacher to go use the restroom. Let's see what that looks like. Now class, I want you to think about this. How did the student do? Did they show a lot of respect? Did they control their body? Did they say things with nice manners like, may I please use the restroom? If it didn't turn out so great, let's pause right now and see if you can reenact that skit and make it a little bit more respectful. All right, moving on. We're going to do something else. We're going to keep our teacher up here. Teacher, stay here. Student, can you pick a new student to come up and do our next part of our skit? Okay, you should have a new student here now. Teacher still needs to be treated with a lot of respect. Student, I want you to ask your teacher for help with something. You can make it up, whatever you want to have help with. Okay, show me how you ask for help in a really respectful way. Nice job. You guys did amazing in those skits. Class, can you give the actors a round of applause? Nicely done. So I want us to talk about this as everybody sits down and we wrap up. When we talked last week about honor and how you honor presidents or honor somebody who's very important and you talk to them with this high level of respect, we want to remember that there's a list of important people in our lives that you have to talk to in a very calm, respectful, polite way, calling them things like Mr. and Mrs., not calling them, hey, Steve. I want you to wrap it up today. Teachers, a little conversation if you want. Who else would you need to show that level of respect to? Maybe if they need to practice things to show that level of respect in class, we could touch on those too, like not interrupting conversations or whatever happens to be the hot topic right now for your class. Have a great day, Chief. Nice job with the skit.